Welcome to the Casual Comfort channel where you will learn a lot of interesting and useful things for yourself.
Winter fashion is all about staying warm while looking effortlessly chic, and wide-leg jeans are the perfect wardrobe staple for achieving that balance. These versatile bottoms bring a touch of relaxed sophistication to any outfit, allowing you to create looks that are stylish and cozy without sacrificing comfort. From layering with oversized sweaters to pairing with sleek coats and boots, wide-leg jeans are a must-have for your winter wardrobe. Let's explore how to style them like a pro and elevate your casual winter looks. Nothing says winter like a chunky knit sweater, and wide-leg jeans provide the perfect counterpart. Opt for a cropped or tucked-in sweater to balance the volume of the jeans and create a flattering silhouette. Add a statement belt to define your waist and complete the look with ankle boots or heeled mules for a polished touch. Finish with a long wool coat to keep the chill at bay and exude that effortlessly put-together vibe. A fitted turtleneck is a winter essential that pairs beautifully with wide-leg jeans. The combination creates a streamlined silhouette while keeping you cozy and warm. Stick to neutral tones like black, beige, or gray for a classic aesthetic. Add a structured blazer or tailored coat for a more refined look, and top it off with sleek leather boots for a dash of sophistication. For a casual day out, wide-leg jeans and a hoodie make the ultimate relaxed outfit. Layer a puffer jacket or an oversized denim coat for added warmth and texture. This combo is perfect for running errands or meeting friends for coffee. Opt for sneakers or chunky boots to keep it sporty and practical during those frosty days. If you're loving these outfit ideas, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more fashion tips and inspiration. Give this video a thumbs up if you're feeling inspired, and let us know in the comments, how do you style wide-leg jeans in winter? Your ideas could inspire others too. Create a chic monochromatic look by pairing your wide-leg jeans with pieces in the same color family. For example, white wide-leg jeans with an ivory knit and a camel coat create a dreamy winter ensemble. Add gold accessories, a neutral handbag, and suede ankle boots for a luxurious finish. This minimalist approach ensures maximum style with minimal effort. Wide-leg jeans are more than just a trend. They're a wardrobe essential that makes winter dressing both fun and functional. Whether you're channeling laid-back vibes with a hoodie or keeping it elegant with a tailored coat, these jeans can adapt to every mood and occasion. So why not refresh your winter wardrobe with this versatile staple? Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments. Which of these outfits will you try first? Let's stay stylish together this winter, one wide-leg look at a time.